Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to search Facebook account by phone number. First of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what you're going to do here, you're going to just go ahead into your, let me just type right here, Facebook. Double check if your Facebook app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now, if I wanted to know how to get it done, just go ahead and simply and search it for Google before you do it. Basically, it says once you're logged in, go to the search bar located at the top of the Facebook homepage. In the search bar, type in the phone number of the person that you are looking for, right? So simply as that. I'm gonna just go ahead to the Facebook, and basically what I'm gonna do in the Facebook or Meta, just go ahead into the search bar at the top right here. And basically what I'm gonna do, let me close this window, click on this search bar, then type the phone number, for example, and you're gonna be able to see the people that are linked to that phone number. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.